Artificial intelligence, AI, cannot replace human, nor should it replace human. Interview of Sheng, Director of AI Expert Committee, of Beijing CAS Senior Expert Technology Center. Turing, the father of computer science and AI, once defined AI with a simple standard. He said that true AI is when a computer hiding behind the scene and having a conversation with a person who cannot distinguish whether it is a person or a computer behind the scene, then this computer is equipped with AI. The modern level of AI research have far exceeded Turing's definition. The upsurge of Google's big data research since 2004 became the first climax of modern AI research. Especially in 2006, Geoffrey Hinton and fellow experts proposed a deep neural network model for the pattern recognition of faces, fingerprints, characters, voices, gamble and chess games. At that time, the representative algorithm of AI was Google TensorFlow. Typical applications are the Google chess player AlphaGo and the Chinese AI scientist Teng Xiao's 129-layer face recognition network. Launched in November 30, 2022, ChatGPT initiated a new wave of big model construction technology. AI has been promoted from text generation to various industries, for instance, lawyers, accountants, technology consulting, decision-making, economy analysis and even in financial fields, such as stocks and futures. What is AI? What level has the world's AI research has reached, and what difference will it make to our lives? In this Ningdian interview, we interviewed Professor Sheng to share the answers. Sheng, Director of AI Expert Committee, of Beijing CAS Senior Expert Technology Center, formerly an Associate Professor, and Chief Professor of Information Technology at the University of New South Wales, University of Sydney, and University of Newcastle in Australia. Previously held the position of Provost at the Australian Information Technology Institute, ITC. Serves as a technology consultant for renowned companies like Motorola, CA, Scan the World, and Ultrasoft. Has authored over 300 academic papers, 13 monographs, and holds 18 patents. Invited to deliver keynote speeches at more than 60 international conferences, government departments, universities, and research institutions. Professor Sheng said that the concept of AI dates back to 1956, when American scholar Marvin Minsky first proposed the term artificial intelligence. The brief history of AI has roughly gone through the early stage, the rock-bottom stage, and the high-speed development stage. To understand these, you must know the brief history of computer development. In the 1940s, people were researching hardware and how to build a computer. In the 1950s, after the computer was built, people were conducting research on algorithms and ways to enhance computing speed. Advanced computer languages, such as the C language, appeared in the 1960s. People can read program written by advanced languages, just like reading English articles. In the 1970s, it was the era of databases. In 1972, Michael from the University of California, Berkeley proposed the Angra database, which enable computers to carry out abstract searches. In the 1980s, Intel developed the 8080 microprocessor, which miniaturized computers to desktops with the size of small suitcases. And the price of computers was reduced to $2,000. Therefore, computers was brought to thousands of households. Then the internet appeared in 1990s, and connected all the computers in the world. Then in the 21st century, a new field called multimedia appeared. Computers improved from processing numbers and contexts to images, audios and videos. The latest milestone of computer development is the big data concept, originated from Google in 2005. It can be said that till then, the software and hardware conditions for AI development have truly matured. As a result of that, AI once again set off a technological wave in 2010. In 1956, Marvin Minsky proposed neural network during the Dartmouth Conference. It is an algorithmic mathematical model that mimics the behavioral characteristics of animal neural network and carry out distributed parallel information processing. In short, neurons can accept multiple inputs, rather than just one. Dendrites collect these electrical signals and combine them to form stronger electrical signals. If the signal is strong enough to exceed the threshold, the neuron will transmit a signal along the axon to the terminal and transmit the signal to the dendrite of the next neuron. Hence the concept of AI was developed. The key to one's success is also one's undoing. Under the limited research conditions at that time, the final conclusion was that the three-layer neural network element was only a linear transformation. It could not solve the most common logical operation of XOR. So from 1956 to 1986, the 30 years are called the dark period of neural network element, which was also the dark period of AI. In 1986, backpropagation neural network was born, proving that neural network could solve nonlinear calculation, such as the XOR. It brought the research of neural network element back to life. Many scientists devoted themselves to the research. Training neural network elements without the support of big data used to be a cumbersome process. There were no established formulas or rules. Success relied on experience and luck. With good luck, training could yield results quickly, but without it, the calculations might loop endlessly. In 2004, big data appeared and was used to train neural network elements. The statistical significance was very good, and the training could quickly produce results. One of the famous events is that the AlphaGo deeply learned Go game and defeated the world's top Go player, Lee Sedol. In 2017, Google carried out an algorithm improvement for AlphaGo called reinforcement learning, thus created AlphaGo 0. The earliest neural network model appeared thereafter was mainly used for pattern recognition, such as recognition of faces, characters, voices, gamble and chess games, such as the Go game. Then, it was extended from pattern recognition to various industries. The data and application scenarios of all the industries are different, thus the neural network element shall build different models. The birth of ChatGPT brought in the big model construction technology, then led to the current climax of research. What factors could be limiting the development of AI? Could AI replace human? We will present you with answers in the next issue of Ningdian interview.